And I now say, now you have to see if they will come out, you know. All the jigutis and them. See the mother outside with 3 babies. Mother outside with 3 babies, boy. My people today will be heading to Cascade River Falls. As you can see, we seen some animals before we could go up. You know? Nice to be in nature and see these vibes, man. Where the next one gone? Okay, people, as you can see, we are trotting to the river here right now. And the boys and them riding with me this morning. Give me a Sunday and the big fish. Yeah! So we outside. Now let's show the other mic on you.
Oh shit. Look at that in.
So there's the
Pretty cool.
passing the brothers and them fixing a car here.
One night, obvious man, you know, like,
Oh God! The engine is such a way. You want to bring back that? Can remember the one way? Castle and parts. Blogging. I'm a YouTuber. Say hi to Hulk Nature Vibes channel. That's all. Let's say hi to Hulk Nature Vibes. Big up the channel. Huh? No. This is on the way. This is on the way. You all have a blessed day in this hot sun. Oh! Goodness! I'm going here, buddy. What about passing?
I following you?
Up the fault we going.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Hey people, it's a little trot. A little 4 minutes to reach the river. And then we go shortly we going up the falls. The vibes of the falls, the goodness. Yeah, river vibes is a pure vibes, man. Off the work, sir? Blessed. Alright, people, so let's see if we reach. So right now it's looking like the pool in preparation of cleaning. It's empty, as you all could see. Hear me echoing? Go look at leaves come back on the falls. I did get a video and it was clean in a way. So you see already for the pool just need to sweep up and clean up. Go back to full. So we're looking to go up the falls. You need to step along, eh?
Yeah. I'm walking up there, am I supposed to fall? Or I don't think I'm supposed to.
And there is the start of the falls here. As you all can see. So that to move this big tree out of the pool, it's bugging us. So we're going up here now.
But that cold, boy. Fucking cold right now. Hey, take your time, hey, man. Don't fall there.
Slip and slide going on here, people.
Don't fall long. You won't fall this at all.
Be careful. Anytime you fall, move you over.
Yeah.
Now let's see the vibes of the falls.
You know, it's
Are we climbing there, right?
easy. Your foot on your hand.
I will carry do that blog.
That's why I sit there. Unless somebody.
When we reach a part here, it's steep.
You know what you have to do? You want to go up, reach up, and then videotape while we coming up. To show them how you're reaching up on the falls.
Now we have to work a mechanism plan here. And how to reach up here, alright. Yeah, tape. The tape in there right now. And you want the tape on top here.
Nah, I think it's a free man. You can climb it.
You watch me. Hold the camera better than that. Alright.
You can climb it in slippery.
Eh?
It is separate normal. It's easy to climb. So you see it was Mossy? Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I remember. I'm on kill. Huh? That time here? You just have to take your time.
Bessie walk around.
Yeah. You try it. If you can make it, you make go around. Oh, yeah.
Last time I did this, I was about 19.
Huh? Yeah. Nah, you have to make sure you come down on the, how to say it, not the steep part now. You're gonna send it down fast. Yeah? It didn't have that grip on the slide a long time. Yeah, all crazy.
Alright, people. Alright, native boys have to give all the something today. I go and try to see if I can climb this. Them youth and them going up there and boy, they're shaming me. And all the see the name I repping. I can't take shame. So we're going up. Oh God. We gonna make it. Don't slip. Don't slip. Don't slip. Hey, look at that some grips, man. Hey,
Yeah, right there to take your time.
easy right here, boy.
Yeah.
Need to get a grip. I get a grip. And I'm up, people. We made it! Yes! We make it all there. So we're going up further now. You turn it off, huh?
This one's still on. Ah, can you press this again?
Yeah, if it on, you can't just drop the camera.
From down there.
Nice force.
Yes, people, so let's see this setting.
Everything.
Nice vibes. Nice vibes, nice vibes. Especially when the pool full, more vibes. And as all you can see around the pool and thing need a little walking. So more time everything that's up, man. Today just our vibes run through. But before show you the vibes on top. We never go up on top yet to show you anything. So today we're going up on top and show you a little vibes. Yeah, man. Right to the top right here, so show them. When we reach up to the top, that's a little big pool there. We're going to see how deep it is because when river come down, it'll bring down thing in it and shallow it back. So you know, we're going up and see the vibe. Native vibes in the building. How is that? Yeah, so the journey continuing here. Yeah, the journey continuing here right now. So I
No,
don't
they're
know
on
how the
street,
thing
you know
goes.
what?
Nice and easy.
A little hole here, boy. We can in this hole.
I didn't even want to.
Sometimes you see car, but like around and everything.
Yeah.
You see nothing in the hole, man. The hole empty. I told you. Look like we have some steps here. 1, 2. When we get in there. Ah! We're going up, man. We're going up. Yes, people. It's over. About 17 years now I climb this walls. So let's bear with me. Age kicking in.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on, see. I'll put my 2 hand down here, boy. Right here. This little spot right here, I'll put my 2 hand. Let's look at the tape in. Yeah. 2 hand out of walk here. No one hand thing. And this way this called reaching way. The top and back down. Stand up back down today. Up.
Yeah, they should have my back down too, man.
Up we going. Show them my back down. Now with me. Not with me. We need camera only using it.
Yeah, I know. We're in the bag. Yeah,
We'll use the
beautiful.
next camera now. Okay, people, so let's see the settings to the top. Nice vibes. Yeah. You reach the pool, as I say. You see what's going on with the pool there? Have a track on the side there if you want to pass on the track. Safe to pass. I say no, if we go up on top there, we can't cut out right there in the track.
Yeah.
We have to continue the river.
No, you can come out already.
Is that what track?
Yeah, but they had to reach up that falls. That is the slippery one day.
That is the pure one.
Yeah.
I told you. A big fish eh? We can't go up there. And if he say we can't go up there, I believe in him 100 one time. So I will get all the vibes in this pool here. Yeah. So already vibes, man. Nice place to come and relax. You know? And more time we go fix it back like how we had it. We used to block the front right there so like when my son standing up. With
Yeah.
some sandbags.
And swim.
And yeah, move out some of the dirt. You have the river does bring down now, but the river always bringing down dirt and full back here. But here else sweet. That's the nice falls there. Rasta man, Rasta woman. Let's go and lean up there, man.
That falls a bit.
And it's vibes. I'm not sure how the vibes is when you're going there to take a dip. Don't take a wet. I'm going to take a wet just for all you. Eh. Clip down there.
Right, it's slippery. You're welcome.
Normally, sometimes we just chuck a bamboo in this hole here.
And climb.
And I come up and brace it. And right here, so it's flying up and water beating you. I know you can ride up.
Water cold.
You know what I mean? Water real cool, boy. I really want to bring it there, but we're going to find more distance to the river. So
We're going to mini basin.
I will show you, I'm still taking a wet in it.
You need the blue basin yet?
Huh?
The blue basin, the bigger one.
That is the deeper one we could dive on.
Oh. Oh.
Proper clean water to drink.
Nah, I don't drink that.
But I clean water, boy.
Still.
So if you already grew
Proper
up,
spring water.
already grew up on that water drinking it.
Yeah. At that time, down with the big coolers, if you didn't know, we couldn't bathe there.
I know.
Every time we come up to bathe, they send in the police.
For what?
So we keep in chance to come and bathe at the water we used to be drinking.
Uh-huh.
But when it come into that big pool, it used to go into the small building and you see that right they were falling in. And they used to purify it and send it to the village.
Uh-huh.
So the chance we taking to bathe in the pool was no problem. It wasn't purifying it. You understand? And then we used to go to the small building. And a little kind of lighthouse something to build.
I kind of jump into it.
Yeah, but inside of the there were deep pools. Look at that. Top of the day, all that you know, plug in. Yeah. It's down now telling them this on the camera. I'm telling them all what we used to do long time. Dig back all the pool and put some sandbags there. Show the gardeners. Gardeners living in the garden right now. Serious men. Full respect. I told you, we can't climb there. You walk back out here. Sit down.
Water cold.
River water. And I find it so cold like that. I like that you sit down there.
Yeah.
You find it so cold like that.
Okay, people, there's an overhead view of the pool. See the falls there. There's a small fall to this pool. Yeah. And we're going to be track here now. You can see the gardeners are now past through there. The garden start from here. And we're going up. See them boys done up in front of me there. Now our bare feet are moving a little slow. Yes, now I move bare feet. End up leaving with slippers down to the bottom of the falls. Down by the empty big pool there. Yeah, these bamboo patch here. Here before I born. These are landmarks in the bush. These three bamboo patch here. See the garden. See the coconut trees, bananas, lime. Get our avocado tree up in the back there behind. The avocado tree there. And some young avocados on it.
don't know what I done there, boy.
Yeah. So let's see how the nature set. Nice love and goodness in my backyard. There's people here was born and raised. Call it Casablanca. People Ridgey, Blue Basin, but boy bushy.
Yeah.
Here hardly activities.
You can hardly see it.
Yeah, you can hardly see boy. You can go on the stone there, so?
You got a kind of better view.
Blue Basin. See, stone. There's a big tree there. That big tree there for years, you know, though.
Yeah. But we used to jump off from on right on the little thing there and jump in.
This big tree here. He holding on to the stone, you know, then.
Mm-hmm.
And if we're getting a review of the pool there, so. And the best I can get right now. And if when we go further up, if we can come down to the top right.
I think you
Yeah,
go.
you know, see have a little small falls running into there too. All the pools and them have a little small falls. And you go up further and see if you can get in. Eh? Let's get a view of the pool for them if they're getting it. Well, it's good. Where you going? Go across to that stone there. Oh, that stone you going out to there?
Yeah, there's the jumping stone here.
And this stone used to flip over?
Yeah?
And Malcolm, you had belly too, you know. He used to backflip over that, you know.
Yeah, Javon was here when we do that already.
The stone still stuck out of the pool down there.
Yeah?
It's still there?
Yeah? I ain't going
And
nowhere.
right next to the stone, that man landing, you know. I used to get frightened. He used to make me rock up and lead the river, yes? Sometimes he evil can evil. Don't tell him he can't do. And people, so let's see how the river running up there. Garden. We're going as far as we can go.
If we can reach up by the next falls.
One next falls? Is that our next falls?
Yeah.
All the years I hear, I never know it our next falls.
Yeah, just through the garden.
Yeah, see plenty bananas. Another avocado. Fellas, up here nice, man.
Yeah, up here was clean. Up here get bushy now, boy.
You see the river split here? Now another side over there. At time me and Shaban them when I was young boy. Come up here boy, and take that channel of the river.
Yeah.
And going up there boy, and meet a vine, like covering a stone.
Yeah.
But me don't know what behind that vine, but if we saw that vine start to shake up and some going grrr behind it. What is races out there? But races. All the brave Shabba brave, he and all behind me. He's stepping hard. Look, I still at the center, I'm afraid to go over. Look at bananas. No, and them for the plant up here with breadfruit.
But we can't see half of the plantation, huh?
Where?
Them
What we don't be seeing from down there? They up on the bank, so?
Yeah, they're up on the mountain. They're up by Scotty and them. On the...
Also, there's a different one to that?
No,
this isn't adding into there?
Nah. Oh, you see what's probably see Abacachi?
Huh?
You see what's probably see Abacachi?
Yeah.
It's our truck going up.
Oh, it's our truck going up on the mountains. Right.
That this one here going river. That down going.
A bare feet, but I really want to go further, you know.
But I walk now, boy. I walking in front.
There you go, there you go.
Big snake.
All fear out of system right now. There you go, there you go. If you see a big what, Peggy?
A big snake.
Yeah. Me, man, I just want to see the tail I gone. Yeah, pineapple. Yes, people, turn it your vibes today. So the thing set, man. And as all you can see, an upgrade in the performance of my camera. Yeah, everything that takes time, step at a day. Step by step, we will reach it up.
Wait, you get red bush now, boy. There's the part to the next falls.
You know, me don't know the frick you wanna carry.
You in the bush?
Come like a tour guide we rolling with you. A cap man here, watching we and all you. We don't have a blade.
You don't need no blade.
Yeah.
You need a blade for?
Some big Shana Benny on the ground here, boy.
Yeah. But you know easy land that Shana Benny up here, dog. You didn't see Shana Benny go anywhere up here?
I like how they plant plenty citrus trees.
You know what you saw?
Hey, man. Respect the Blanca farmers. Respect. I like how they're up here looking. From this part here, go up, you used to look real scary, you know?
Yeah.
That's why we never used to come, I never used to go no further.
Boy, me, all them youth men, reach quite halfway on top of the mountain in the cocoa field up there. Yeah, reach up in the cocoa field.
So you see people, we still have a cocoa field. And I thinking all the die out. Let me see if I see any around.
Now you ain't gonna see no cocoa down here. Eh?
Not one tree self?
Nah, boy.
Well, look at cocoa tree right in front of me here.
Shit, yeah. Fuck.
Ooh.
Yeah, dying up.
Yeah,
Vine
people.
covering it.
We still got to see a real native tree. Cocoa. See that mango there?
Wait.
You could think on up there. Well, for mango.
Yes, people are getting a workout here today. So let's see the vibes.
Yeah. Fruits. Spoiling. What you know?
Jungle vibes right now.
I ain't gonna pay about 60. Still no check like back of me.
Well, we following our track there.
Yeah, but I don't need check.
You ain't come up in 5 to 6 years?
Yeah.
Well, you and the animals and them not friendly again?
Me and them never had to be friends.
Breadfruit people. Look at breadfruit, man.
You know, walk up that direction there.
Huh?
Walk up that direction. The part is stinging at all.
You hit up stinging nettle patch, people. Party with a over. Stinging nettle is something when it touches your skin, it just can't stop. Scratch. What crawling there? I know some now make a noise in the bush. Better be. Come on, what are you in the back of me? Come, let me see you in front. You taping? Are you holding the camera bad, man? Full extent.
Yeah, you reaching the falls here now. Yeah. Yeah. So we pass all the days going up the cocoa field up there. Gotta go up that falls to reach up the cocoa field. Or they might well watch all they walk in there because stinging at the field here again.
You know this thing I told you, man? The big leaf. This is stinging nettle. This bush here is stinging nettle. Plenty around. Hey! Gosh, my foot kicking some, yes?
That's
it. Then start to hold on. God! Ow! Let me walk in that fucking stinging nettle, boy. Alright, people, we reach the next falls. First time I see this falls.
That's way far to go.
All the falls and them are 3 falls in them, boy. I'm going no further now. And let's come to see this. Oh, God, hold on. Feel all that stinging nettle and start to scratch. Alright, I got some stinging nettle. It's not easy. Oh, God! Ah! Oh, God, I don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's see what I'm going through. Alright. That's now. You have to soak this foot a little bit here. God! How about serious? You serious?
Huh?
You serious? It's serious. Come on, show you this thing in the table, want me? All that in it, all that in it. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are more rivers to go. More time you go higher up here. And have one a little better gears.
Yeah, we had to get real proper equipment to go quite up in back up
To
there.
go further up there, we had to have a cutlass show. You know what
Cutlass.
animal we going to meet.
Cutlass, boots, long pants, long shirt, long everything. Because when we tried it, as far as I tried it, it's forest we not reach. It's just water and just push like you're going mad.
So let's see how the thing set, how the thing go.
Alright, thanks, fine.
I want slower.
It was small, but you see when water coming down?
Oh man.
Yeah, water might be shooting off of this falls. And it's coming down heavy when rain falling. So this settings there of the river, man. Casablanca River. 5 minutes away from Port of Spain. From the heart of Port of Spain. 4 minutes away from the bricks.
Singer.
So I don't know, Cascade with it. So you can head back down now. We just come to give you a little vibes. More time you come up and bust a pot. Bring up a few people and me vibes up. So there's the settings here right now. So yeah, back through this thing in that hill. Take your time, son. That's what you call skills in the bush. I'm fucking sting in that hill, boy. Cha!
Stretch your foot long, don't try to reach so close to it.
Skip! Breadfruit on the ground over there, boy. All them breadfruit tree and them laden. Boy, real breadfruit. Breadfruit tree laden, boy. Fellas and them got breadfruit to sell just now.
They want everything to sell. Cause when I really watch on here, there's a small garden
Got
there.
truck going up there. Hunters.
Yeah.
See more bananas. Yeah, people are planting coming here. Yeah, man. Kudos to the farmers. The bananas there. Yeah, man. Plenty trees falling up here too, eh?
Yeah,
Me out there and here, crack, 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 crack. There's trees coming down.
Remember the volume of water be in the back here.
Yeah, that's the thing. Look how calm the river is. But as the rain started falling in the hills, we had to run out of here.
Yeah.
So people, as I say, like and subscribe. This is Trinidad with it. This is a river too where the public don't really know about. Few people in the public know about here. More the villagers and, you know, let's dwell with this river. So here come, like I could say, personal to the village. Yeah, you don't know what I mean personal, yeah. But personal. You understand? To come here, they get invite. You come in here just so. So as I say, people, if you want to enjoy the vibes, just like, subscribe, and put something in the comment. Sure to get the answer. Hey! Well, you see we in the bush bare feet. I'm training him to be a mongrel like me. You know what I mean? Rough and rugged for the Gideon.
Come before the hat out, can
Yeah. That man market, that man garden the garden. You see the jungle? Besides the garden, it's a jungle too, you know. Yeah, man, get all kind of beasts in here. As well, you could see the video, the starting up, there was gooties. A female goatee and 3 young ones that come out there. They come out to get a little tape this morning, they feel, you know, camera-ish. You know, these tires is for plants.
Yeah. They fake cheese on them, the small ones.
Right, people, so we on the way back down now. Heading back down. Yeah, man, good vibes, good vibes.
Yeah, but there's a track here to reach up on that hill up there. This one and that one might cut
Oh.
there.
Okay, okay. You ain't seen a goner in a tree.
You gotta go up more in the bush for that. You go by the garden up on top of the hills up there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are we going? Back down that falls?
If you want.
Boy? I know that. I studying here hard.
It's up to you.
Let's see, we pass him at the basin. Do basin there. Ooh.
The time you'd leave
Leave for me.
up here way.
Leave I went way. And go away.
So yeah, from down by Vita, yeah, what time would you leave?
I know, I wasn't checking.
Let me make up all the mind. I will, you know.
I don't mind.
It's all for nature. Out nature TV outside, we never scared. We'll try and always try everything.
I don't know where it's scared, so.
No scared, no scared. Never scared. We don't prone for damages. Oh. Now you ain't think I can't take with the bare feet, but
We are walking on this one?
you ain't choke. We pass here just now?
Yeah.
How they wet?
You were there?
They wasn't wet?
Nah, that was always wet. This always be wet, boy.
Alright people. There's the attempt we're going to make here now. Back down the falls.
I'm feeling.
Alright, this is where plenty wetting up gonna take place. Huh?
This.
Yeah, put that one back in the bag. Turn it off. It off?
Yeah, no too.
Watch here now, buddy. Wow!
Oh, got it. Yeah.
See we have to go back down there, right? Now as we get closer to the bottom, we go show them more. How come?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to tape yourself going down, you know.
I know.
Use the speed, man. So you gotta take the camera from here. When you reach down, you can take from here?
Yeah.
Alright. When you reach down, you gotta turn it back up to me. You have to turn it on first?
Nah, you can leave it.
No. Ah! You see, I could have got Malcolm coming down with it, but then I can't hold it. Yeah, I could have hold that one, you know. You go down? You think so? You feel for gripping your foot, go down low. You have to go down low. Stay on your bottom. Yes, people. They call this a challenge. And I will make it. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes, man. It ain't so hard after all. After all, we're gonna make it down the falls. Right, son, you're doing good. Take your time. Put your foot in grips. Let your foot catch some grip. Wherever you're feeling grip on your foot, press on it there. Feel like I come wrong there?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. That's what you are trying to do the same thing you tell. Nah. You're a skate boy.
Well, it's like a slide.
Yeah, but you just want to know
I
it.
remember somebody slide off for that one down there already, you know.
Yeah.
That one that steep, that longer one there.
Yeah, my man come up and fall off.
Yeah, slide right down.
Yeah. Yeah. Just
No, not he do slide, he fall.
you slide out, you fall and slide down.
Yeah. Oh yes, I feel like 19 again. The only thing in my hand, not cricket boy. Falling the cricket on my hand there. I'm never gonna check the hand, you know. Alright people, this is the big challenge. And the turtles and them still stinging, you know. Very big challenge here. And we are going down, down. You want me to go down there, say? How come you go down with the phone? Yeah, you turn it off and go down.
I could go down with the phone.
You sure?
Yeah.
I look this open.
I got some of the phone. I know they go down.
Go ahead now, you tape we coming down. Let me get a piece of you going down. Give me the phone. Don't go too far, I can't freaking reach you, you know. Go ahead, go ahead. No? So brave you dealing with it?
Yeah, me.
Yeah, I'm following you.
The my phones, you know.
All without that guy, I wouldn't have all this courage today. You tape you going down this now. Or you me go down in front. And you come down behind. So you going down? Stay on this bank. Watch. So the back. Watch. What we do when we get on camera? Yeah?
I tell you, they my phones, boy.
You telling me? Because you slide down there now. You want to feel like a slide down like a slide? Not
Nah,
from
just
there,
I
you
know
know.
when
From
to
we
wait.
slide. Take your time and go down.
I know way to slide.
You slipping? Oh, take your time, take your time. Your foot in front. All the time to keep the pressure on your body. To hold it up. Don't go and hold no slippery part there, you know. Stay in the water. And grip. And look at your junk slide. Way up there, your bottom, your hand. So I had to slide too.
No, you don't have to slide. You could do anything.
Ain't everybody sliding. I can't be no girl, boy. Oh, good. What
Take
the
your
ski,
time and
boy?
come more close to the. Yeah.
I know. You gotta build the courage
Don't think
before you
about.
move off. Hey. Oh, that's why you're slowing down here, so the grip in your foot gone. It's more in your hand.
You're just using your foot from sliding now.
Huh?
Using your foot to stop it from sliding.
Yeah, no? I done down already, you know.
Yeah.
You saw a little go in here and skate now, boy. Oh, we made it. People, we made it. A lot can't make it. Touch that like and subscribe button. We going again. Hey, nearly had a fall there. I know the world would have laughed at me. Are you interested?
Yeah. Come back long in time.
Come back down in time. Let's swing on this vine, you know, but long time they didn't get shake. I know it a bit of shake out now. A braver man had to do that for me first. Alright, people, so we back down. And we are safe after God. Love and goodness all the time. Love and goodness as you could. Ow. This hand, boy. Feel like I got a band that hand. From Alco, we reach back down.
Yeah.
So people, I had to run up the falls today. Me, my son Javon, and Malcolm. So the nice vibes. Yes, that didn't happen. I was destined to happen bad. I've been dreaming about doing it. You know, you some more?
Huh? Good. Thanks.
Fuck off. Alright, people. So that is all for today. So people, as I said today was a nice day. Going up the falls. How long it take? We about 45 minutes?
Yeah, about 45
Up and down?
Yeah.
About 45 minutes it take we up and down to go up the falls and back. So we calling that a day. We calling that a day. So to
Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.
love and goodness all the time. This monkey is the greatest I come across yet. He's dead, he's more human than me. He now don't eat a banana, he come to wash his hand. You ever see more? The greatest I seen here, yes? I don't know, this house has strange animals or something. Oi, what going on? Keep digging up in the pipe. Then move your backside for me. And don't play growling, huh? If you look in the cake, you thought you were going to do him some more. Turn off your pipe, turn off your pipe. Nine off.
Hey, come and look at this thing.
Oh.